Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. This dish is very tasty and cost effective and very easy to make. It's about how to make the best fried potatoes with very little ingredients. Stay with me and I'll show you how this is done. Now this is really good for leftover boiled potatoes. If you don't already have leftover boiled potatoes, then go ahead and peel and cut some potatoes up and put them in water and salt and boil them until they're tender. And drain off the water and put them in the fridge to cool. Once the potatoes are cold, they're easy to chop and slice, and they don't fall apart on you. Now use a good quality margarine, I'm using Becel, and take a good lump of it and put it into your hot frying pan. And then slice or chop the cooked potatoes in on top of the melted margarine. Then stir or turn the potatoes right away so that they get coated with the margarine, and this will help to brown them up nicely. Season it with some salt and pepper. And then just do enough salt and pepper to sprinkle it nicely over the top. You can always add more later. Continue to fry these on medium to high heat. Give them an opportunity to brown on the bottom before turning them. And then you turn them a little bit again so that again they get a good coating of the margarine. And if you need to add more margarine, you can go ahead and do that at any time. And this is precisely the reason that I use a good quality margarine instead of using butter, because you need to use a lot of it and it is a little bit of a healthier choice. If you have a little parsley flakes on hand, go ahead and add a little sprinkle of that on top. Now, that's not absolutely essential if you don't have any, but it does add to the flavor a little bit and it also makes it look nice. Continue to fry them until they're nicely golden brown, turning them over so that they brown evenly. This is a nice easy dish for anybody who's living by themselves or has to cook for one or two. Now for the secret ingredient that really makes these. Mellow Cajun seasoning. Yeah, that's right, it makes a big difference. So sprinkle a generous amount on. Add a little bit more butter if you need to and continue to flip them back and forth to make sure that they're coated well with this seasoning, because you want to be able to taste this with every bite. We make that at our house sometimes just for a snack, but it is an awesome meal because it's hearty, it's filling, and it's delicious. And you only need to have a few things on hand to make it. It's great for those people who are away at college or university, or someone who is budget conscientious and wants to cook for their family. But it's fancy enough to take to a potluck. I'm given the cost-effective basic version of what I do with this. Sometimes I add some fried wieners, or I fry some onions and throw in. It all depends on who you're serving it to and what you'd like to serve it with. So I hope you enjoy this simple recipe, and until next time, happy eating!